Let's switch tracks now. As the sun rises over the capital, the haze, as you can see, refuses to lift. Delhi is quite literally choking. At about 7:15 a.m. this morning, the AQI touched 340, and as we speak, as per AQI.in, the AQI is at 323. Most parts of Delhi NCR reported very poor to hazardous air quality, and this as the Delhi Environment Minister Manjinder Singh Sirsa offered a half-hearted apology for the national capital's deteriorating air quality, acknowledging public concern, but largely deflecting responsibility onto the previous government. But at the moment, data from the AQI detector website for Delhi indicated that PM 2.5 concentration stood at about 243 micrograms per cubic meter, while PM 10 levels were recorded at 337 micrograms per cubic meter. Now, as per the decision support system for air quality management in Delhi, transport has emerged as the major contributor to pollution, and followed by construction activities and stubble burning, making Delhi air equivalent of smoking 8.5 cigarettes a day. Unfavorable Met conditions combined with vehicle emissions, paddy straw burning, firecrackers, other local pollution sources have led to hazardous air quality levels in Delhi NCR during this season so far. Shreya Ghosh has been tracking the latest for us and conducting a reality check on the ground. Shreya, tell us where you are at the moment, and the air we're breathing in the NCR is nearly 5 times above safe limits this morning as we speak.
That's right, Parmeshwar. I'm reporting from Noida, the Pushta Road, which is alongside the Yamuna embankments. And what I'm going to show you is absolutely shocking, because here you can see right there, those are the illegal RMC plants which are operating in Noida despite the strictest anti-pollution curves which have been implemented, but as you can clearly see, not enforced. Right beside it, you can see the industrial waste scrapyard lying there, and we saw visuals of how waste burning is a common phenomena in these areas. And right next to it is the cricket field where people are playing sport here, right next to this entire area which is causing so much pollution. The RMC plants, it's causing the dust pollution, and here is the situation of Pushta Road. I'll ask my camera person to show. It feels like if I've entered a dystopian film. It is completely covered with dust. As you can see, the roads, it's broken. This is the Pushta Road that we're talking about, this 30-kilometer stretch, and the trees here, it is completely covered with dust, and this is the same dust which has these toxic PM 2.5, PM 10 particulate matter that if we inhale, it can, from my head to toe, it will affect each and every part of my body. And the most shocking part is we're talking about Noida, and those are the elite societies of Noida, which is barely 200 meters from this very Pushta Road, and the dust that is being being generated from these pollution sites, it is affecting the residents and the employees of these IT offices and the residents of these elite societies. And I've been reporting from here, and I saw constant influx of transport trucks carrying those cement materials, and because this road is completely filled with potholes, those very trucks which are ideally they are banned on paper, you're not there is a restriction on these trucks carrying cement materials, because remember, GRAP 4 has been implemented, and yet you see these activities are going on unabated. And as I showed you the visuals, these illegal plants have been working unabated without any supervision of the leaders here in Noida, Pushta Road, from where I'm reporting from. And the AQI continues to be in the very poor category. Back to you.
As always, Shreya, thank you so much for joining us with that report from Ground Zero. Meanwhile, the opposition trained guns at the Delhi government over Manjinder Singh Sirsa's recent remarks on curbing pollution. Remember, the Delhi Environment Minister apologized over pollution yesterday, but Mr. Sirsa's remarks came a day after citizens of Delhi expressed their anger over the hazardous air quality, when sections of that crowd at the Arun Jaitley Stadium also booed and chanted AQI, AQI, as Chief Minister Rekha Gupta welcomed the football star Messi. It's overshadowed the celebration with the protests over Delhi's pollution, and now Priyanka Gandhi has also reacted. Her jibe followed Manjinder Singh Sirsa's apology for the toxic air in the national capital and said it's impossible for any elected government to reduce the air quality within just 9 or 10 months. Ms. Gandhi has hit out, asking why does the minister need to apologize instead of improving the situation? She also alleged that the BJP is not interested in discussing the toxic air crisis issue in Parliament. Meanwhile, the Aam Aadmi Party has also weighed in with MP Sanjay Singh questioning Manjinder Singh Sirsa's apology instead, asking what can the BJP government do but blame the former Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal. Here are all the reactions you need to listen to.
मैं एवरेज एक्यूआई की बात जैसे मैंने पहले भी कहा था, हर महीने हम बेहतर देने में कामयाब हुए। मैं दिल्ली के लोगों से माफी मांगता हूं, इतना कहना चाहता हूं। 9-10 महीनों में कोई सरकार आपको पूरा का पूरा पोल्यूशन को साफ कर सके, ऐसा असंभव है। लेकिन मैं दिल्ली वासियों आपको बताना चाहता हूं, आम आदमी पार्टी की सरकार जो बेईमानी करके चल कर गई है, हमने उससे बेहतर करके हर दिन का एक्यूआई कम करा है और इसी तरह अगर कम करते जाएंगे तो ही दिल्ली को साफ हवा देनी संभव है। ये 12-10 साल की आम आदमी पार्टी की बीमारियां, 11 साल की और 15 साल की कांग्रेस की बीमारी जो है, जो अभी राहुल गांधी और प्रियंका गांधी जी मास्क लगाकर कहने की बातें कर रहे हैं। मैं राहुल और प्रियंका जी से पूछना चाहता हूं, कहां थे आपके मास्क पिछले साल? पिछले साल इससे ज्यादा पोल्यूशन था।
क्या कहेंगे? माफी मांगने का क्या फायदा है? काम करें, ठीक कराएं। हमने कहा कि सब इकट्ठे होकर हम कुछ अच्छे ठोस निर्णय लें, लेकिन यहाँ तो चर्चा भी नहीं हो रही है उस पर।
फिर कर क्या सकते हैं? ये कई साल तक यही बात बोलते रहेंगे? भाई कितने साल तक आप अरविंद केजरीवाल को आरोपित करेंगे? अब तो 4 इंजन की सरकार है दिल्ली में। केंद्र में आपकी सरकार, राज्य में आपकी सरकार, एमसीडी में आपकी सरकार, एलजी आपका, हरियाणा में आपकी सरकार, उत्तर प्रदेश में आपकी सरकार। तो कितना रोना रोएंगे आप अरविंद केजरीवाल के नाम का?